Hi, everybody, and welcome to the first of 12 days of Christmas. We're calling this hashtag 12 days. Today's is all about the Advent calendar, and we all see the ones that look really cute with the little pockets and all that stuff, but I thought I would do something really different. And we're going to start with a box from the dollar store. Now, mine is 4x4. It's really 4.125. Yeah, it's not exactly, but it's close to, and you're going to measure it and figure it out because maybe your box is a little bit different. And when you get done with it, this is what it's going to look like. When you actually get it at the dollar store, it has this really cheesy little bow on the top. I already took mine off. I don't even know if I can find. Oh, here it is. This is the bow that it came with. It's cute, but that was not what I had in mind. So I took it off. I'm going to take a sheet. You notice these numbers are kind of important. Also notice that the order that they're in is kind of important. And you need 2 boxes, okay, to get these numbers to all work out for the entire month. Well, however long you want to count to Christmas. So you need numbers 1 through 6 for box number 1, and you need numbers 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, and 0 for box number 2. Okay, I used the number of years stamp set. It gives you these really great big numbers. I used my basic black on Whisper White. And of course, I'm going to use my old standby, the Stitch Thinlits in the oval shape. This is the, I think this is the biggest one. It is. But again, it's going to depend on the size of your box. So the first thing you're going to do when you get your box home is measure it. And then that's going to determine how big your numbers are going to be. So I measured my box. Let me show you how to do that. And you're going to just take the top off. It's the same box. And you're going to measure it by just putting it on here. And you can see that this is 4 1/4 tall by 4 inches wide. So I'm going to take myself a sheet of 12 by 12 and I'm going to cut 4 1/4 and 4 1/4. Oops, I just dropped my trimmer piece. Get back in there. I need you. I don't need you on the floor. 4 1/4 by all the way down. This is extra. Put that to the side. And then I'm going to cut these at 4. There's 1, 2. I need 4 of this size. 4 1/4 by 4. So I need 1 more. This is the first strip I cut. So there's 4. Those are the 4 sides. Now I need the top. And these need to be 4 by 4, but they don't need to be 4 1/4. So I'm going to trim this down. So you see, 2 sheets of paper will get you the 2 cubes, 2 12 by 12s. So you could be incredibly extravagant and use foil or glitter or kind of basic. And then this is going to be the top and the bottom to my box. That's all the cutting there is. So I need to cut double the amounts of those, and then I'm ready to put it together. You're going to use your tear tape, and I'm not going to cover all of box number 2 because we'll be here all day, but trust me, it works exactly the same way. You take the box, and I'm not going to use my tear tape because, again, that takes a little bit longer, and I just want you to get the idea of how to do this. I'm just going to pop this on. And so the 4 by 4 piece goes right there, right? Take this off, flip it over, and the other 4 by 4, again, tear tape is going to hold it better. It's going to last a little bit longer, especially with all this stuff on the bottom. Now I could take the stickers off if I wanted. It's not going to show. There's that. And now these pieces, these are the 4 1/4 by 4. So you've got to figure out which way they go. If you put them on the wrong way, sorry, it's trying to update my computer right this minute. No thanks, not now. And I'm just going to pop this one on this, and I'm going to go around to all the sides, right? Easy peasy. Really recommend better tape than that. But if you're in a rush, you can get away with this. It just doesn't stick very good to the foil, especially if your box is really pretty. Now, I could have just stuck with a silver box, I suppose, but I wanted to use my really pretty pattern paper. And now this is where your creativity comes in. You can decorate these side panels as much or as little as you want. If you want to decorate them, layer them up. Add your favorite embellishments on here. Don't be just going with your paper. So once you get these all on, you put the cover back on. And now, see, it's not sticking very well. You will have a completely covered box, right? But think about how pretty these sides could really be with your dimensional snowflakes. If you're going to stick with this theme, you can add a ribbon around the whole thing like this. Don't be bored. All right, so then we come back to, this is the top box. This is where the numbers are important, and this is the bottom box, all right? All right, so let's do, it doesn't matter where you put them. And again, you're going to want to use a better adhesive than just your snail, because you want this to last the whole month. But let's just get this together so we can see what it looks like. And then I can't wait to see how amazing you do with yours. Eight, a 0 on the bottom, and a 9 on the top. Okay, so there's box number 2. Box number 1 gets a 1. Two, 3. You could pop these up with dimensionals if you wanted. 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So now when you want to put these out, all you need is, you don't need a stand, you don't need anything, you just need these super cool boxes. So on the first day of December, that's what you're going to see. And if you want it to be on the front or the back, you're going to do it like this on the first day of December. On the second day of December, on 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9. Where's my 9? Here's my 9. 10. I feel like I'm shuffling cards. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Goodness. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Christmas! Okay. I'll put the measurements on the blog. have some fun. Again, it's going to depend on what size box you get. You can put little goodies inside the box if you like to give treats on each day. So whoever comes to visit you and looks inside the box can be a special treat. It's just a fun way to count down to Christmas. Whoops, let's get it right. We want it to be the 25th. Merry Christmas. See you soon. Bye.